So now the system is waiting for a particular setup. So it's in dual mode, but it's in reverse mode inside the dual mode, which means that we're waiting for a reversal bar. And if a reversal bar occurs, yeah, because it looks like the stochastic, is way down, so there might be a little pullback, and we want to catch that pullback and get those 4 ticks. Okay, so basically we're waiting to catch that moment. Okay, and if it goes down more, it goes down more, no problem, right? But yeah, you see it keeps on kind of going down, but at some point it seems there should be a little, well, we're looking for. Okay, so maybe it's gonna come up. I'm gonna pause the video, okay, and see how this works out. So it actually did. Okay, there you go. Okay, so it was a pretty logical place to enter, right, and get those 4 ticks because the stochastic is down. It is risky because it can do this, you know, but again, it's already done this once. So, it's further down the trend. So it looks like the pullback is going to be bigger. So, in my opinion, the further down the trend, right, the further down the track, the more chance I think there is for a sort of bigger pullback. Well, this kind of proves it here. This kind of does not prove it here, right? But this is a small piece anyway, and this is the first pullback, once it's up here anyway. But anyway, so it was a pretty good place to enter, and it kind of took the money. So basically, I added 3 things here, right? So now you can be in dual mode, and that will actually, work both ways. So if you're in dual mode, if you just have to press this button, and the system will enter both ways, either way, right? So if if it, for example, if it was here, okay, and this bar closes, we place a limit order at this level, and then if it was to reverse, okay, then it would have placed a limit order at the reversal level. All right. So basically, and inside the dual mode, you can actually go whether you're gonna go for breakout or reverse. Okay. So now we went for a reverse, which worked pretty well. And well, I would probably not, risk another reverse now, since the stochastic, is looking to kind of, I think it's just gonna do something now. So better wait for the trend to come back.